Goldenritt Sketchwriter Basic Care and Maintenance Guide. To maximize the life of your nib, we suggest cleaning every 2 weeks. Step 1. Remove the nib section from the barrel. Step 2. Pull off the cartridge or converter. Step 3. Twist to remove the triple nib. Step 4. Wash the triple nib with warm water until clean or soak the nib overnight. Step 5. Dry the nib with a cloth. Some ink residue may still be in the nib. Step 6. Make sure the triple nib is clean and dry. Step 7. Reconnect the nib to the section. Step 8. Replace the cartridge or converter. Step 9. Reattach the nib section to the barrel. Maintenance is complete.